Hey everybody, my name is Nick. In this video we will talk about how to contact Bybit live chat. If you have any questions about Bybit and you would like to contact Bybit support, all you need to do is just click on this icon at the bottom right corner. So just click on it, click on Got it. Here you can find Bybit Assistant. But if you would like to contact the real person, all you need to do is just click on Start Asking. And now type your questions right here in this field. For example, hi, and now type your question. Or you can just select the related questions. But as you can see, this is again an answer from their bot. You need to type here, call a specialist, and send it. Just send it again, and click here, my issue isn't listed above. Now just provide more details about your issue. Click on my issue isn't listed above, and then you will receive an answer. Your concern is important to us. However, our live chat agents are unable to assist with the issue. Please submit your case, and our team of specialists will address it within 5 to 7 days. Here you can submit case or connect to a live agent. Select the necessary topic, and now you can chat with a real specialist. I hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.